The iguana, known for its remarkable adaptability and unique presence among reptiles, stands as a fascinating creature that captivates researchers, nature enthusiasts, and animal lovers alike. Belonging to a larger reptilian family, iguanas are native to the lush, tropical environments of Central America, South America, and the Caribbean, where the warm climate allows them to thrive. These tropical and subtropical regions provide them with perfect habitats, offering ample sunlight and abundant vegetation that sustain their distinctive lifestyle. With their iconic appearance and impressive behaviors, iguanas are easily recognized and admired for their elongated bodies, sturdy skin, and strong tails, which they use not only for balance but also as a powerful defense mechanism. Physically, iguanas are known for their striking appearance. Their bodies are covered with scaly skin that acts as a protective layer, often giving them an armored look. This resilient skin varies in color, most commonly green or gray, though specific shades differ based on the species and their environment. For instance, some iguanas found in tropical forests may exhibit more vibrant greens, while those in rocky or desert areas may appear grayer or even reddish-brown. This variation in color allows iguanas to blend seamlessly into their surroundings, making camouflage one of their greatest survival skills. As they navigate environments filled with potential predators such as hawks, snakes, and other larger animals, their ability to go unnoticed is crucial. In fact, some iguanas can slightly change their skin color to match the immediate surroundings better, which adds an extra layer of security and helps them avoid unwanted attention. The iguana's unique physical characteristics do not end with their color and skin texture. They also have sharp claws, which are essential for climbing trees and grasping branches. Their claws, combined with their long, muscular tails, enable them to maintain balance and agility as they move through the treetops, often preferring heights for safety. Iguanas are also known for their dewlap, a loose flap of skin under their chin, which they use for communication and display, especially when they want to appear larger and more threatening to a potential threat. This unique feature, coupled with their calm yet alert posture, makes them a captivating subject for anyone observing these incredible reptiles in their natural habitat. Iguanas follow a predominantly herbivorous diet, setting them apart from many other reptiles, which are often carnivorous. Their diet consists of leaves, flowers, and various types of fruits, providing them with essential nutrients. This plant-based diet is not only vital for their survival but also holds ecological significance. As they feed on these plants, iguanas inadvertently contribute to seed dispersal throughout their habitat. In this sense, they play a role similar to that of gardeners, helping new plants grow and supporting the natural cycle of their ecosystem. This connection between diet and ecology highlights the important role iguanas play in maintaining balance within their environment. Occasionally, younger iguanas may consume small insects or invertebrates, but as they grow, they primarily adhere to their vegetarian diet. This dietary preference makes them one of the few reptilian species that rely mainly on plants, showcasing a unique adaptation within their biological group. The daily lifestyle of an iguana is another fascinating aspect that reflects their survival instincts and adaptability. These reptiles are relatively sedentary creatures, preferring to move slowly and conservatively to conserve their energy. Unlike many animals that are constantly on the move, iguanas tend to spend long hours basking in the sun, a vital activity for cold-blooded creatures like them. As ectotherms, iguanas rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. By basking, they absorb the sunlight necessary to warm their bodies, aiding their metabolism and digestion. This behavior is a staple of their day-to-day life and also allows them to remain alert to any potential dangers nearby. Often, they choose high perches, not only for warmth but also for the safety that height provides. In the wild, being high up in trees grants iguanas a vantage point, allowing them to spot approaching predators and make a quick escape if needed. When faced with threats, iguanas have developed impressive defensive tactics that enhance their survival. Their tail, for instance, serves as a powerful tool that can be used as a whip to deter predators. In addition, When sensing immediate danger, iguanas may leap into the water, where they feel more secure. Their swimming abilities are another survival adaptation, as water often provides a safe haven from land-based threats. Interestingly, iguanas also have the ability to perform autotomy, or tail dropping, a unique defense mechanism in which they detach their tail when captured by a predator. While it may take time for the tail to regenerate, this tactic allows them to escape and live another day, emphasizing their remarkable evolutionary adaptations for survival. Iguanas also possess a fascinating reproductive process, which reflects the independence and resilience of this species. Female iguanas typically lay eggs in secure areas, such as burrows or sandy soils, where the eggs can remain undisturbed until hatching. Remarkably, once the eggs are laid, the female iguana does not stay to protect them. The young hatchlings are left to survive on their own, relying solely on instinct to navigate the world. This lack of parental care is common among reptiles, and while it may seem harsh, it aligns with the iguana's solitary nature. The hatchlings quickly adapt, learning to forage and find shelter without guidance, which fosters self-reliance early on. Over several years, iguanas grow and mature, eventually reaching reproductive age, thus continuing the cycle of life and ensuring the survival of their species. One of the most extraordinary features of iguanas is their exceptional eyesight. With keen vision, they can detect movement from far distances, allowing them to spot predators or locate food with ease. Their advanced sight also plays a critical role in social interactions, as iguanas communicate using a range of visual cues. By nodding their heads or displaying their dewlaps, they can convey messages to others in their vicinity, establishing dominance, warning off rivals, or even attracting potential mates. This method of communication is essential in establishing order and maintaining harmony within their social structure, particularly in areas where iguanas may share territories or basking sites. From an ecological perspective, iguanas play a crucial role in their habitats. By feeding on various plants, they help regulate plant populations, preventing overgrowth and ensuring biodiversity within their environment. Their actions as seed dispersers also contribute to the growth of new plants, supporting a wide array of organisms that depend on vegetation. This interconnectedness underscores the importance of each species within an ecosystem, and iguanas are no exception. Their presence impacts other species directly or indirectly, underscoring the role of balance in nature. Without iguanas, the areas they inhabit could experience shifts in vegetation and biodiversity, highlighting the delicate balance that exists in ecosystems worldwide. Despite their adaptability and resilience, iguanas face a range of threats, largely due to human activities. Habitat loss resulting from deforestation and urban expansion poses a significant risk to iguana populations. In certain regions, they are hunted for their meat, which is considered a delicacy, or captured to be sold in the exotic pet trade, further endangering wild populations. These practices have led to a decline in some iguana species, prompting conservation efforts aimed at protecting these reptiles. Through education and protective legislation, organizations and communities work to preserve the natural habitats of iguanas, raise awareness about the ecological importance of these creatures, and discourage illegal hunting. By fostering respect and understanding of iguanas and their role in nature, conservationists hope to ensure that future generations will have the opportunity to appreciate and learn from these unique reptiles. Ultimately, iguanas are more than just fascinating reptiles. They represent the intricate beauty and balance found within the natural world. Each aspect of their lives, from their dietary habits that contribute to the growth of vegetation to their instinctual behaviors that ensure survival, reflects the wonders of evolution and adaptation. By understanding and appreciating iguanas, we gain a deeper respect for the diversity of life on our planet. Protecting iguanas is not just about saving one species, it's about preserving the balance of an entire ecosystem. This extended look at iguanas reveals that they are vital components of their environments and showcases the interconnected nature of life. As we continue to learn from these resilient creatures, we are reminded of the importance of conserving and protecting the natural world for the benefit of all its inhabitants.